everybody, welcome to Blue Hand Review. Today we're outside, and the reason being is we got a heavy-duty rapid tire deflator. And so I need to be outside. I need to be by a air pump, so we can pump it back up after we're done. So let's get it going, folks. It comes with caps, got some stainless steel 1 crown, and nice little pouch for it, valve stem remover, extra valve stem cores, and the old plastic black caps. So we don't need those today, folks. We're going to take this out. This is by Boulder tools, and I got it off of Amazon. I'll leave the link down in the video, down below the video. So it's pretty simple, y'all. Sit down here, take off the cap, of course. Down on the ground. I'm getting a little up in age, so I'm going to take the way easy way. Alright, so it's pretty simple, y'all. Put this on here, screw it on. Then this will remove the valve cord that pops out. You can tell just real quick what our pressure is, a little over 30. And we're removing the valve cord. There we go. So yeah, it goes down pretty quick. I'm not going to take it all the way down. But yeah, folks, this works really well, and quickly, rapid tire deflator, that's for sure. That is for sure. Real simple to use. Looks good. But you can even use it to check the tire pressure, if nothing else. Looks good. It's got a nice pouch. Good item, folks. My Boulder tools on Amazon. And I thank y'all for being here. Like, comment, subscribe. Especially subscribe. We need to get those subscriber counts up. And that's it for us today, folks. Thanks for being here.